In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat notification not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, go to Notifications, scroll down. From the list of apps, find Snapchat and launch it. Now toggle on for the option Allow Notification. Now check in for the option Lock Screen, Banners and Notification Center. Also toggle on for the option Sounds and Badges so you don't miss any alerts. Next, go back to Settings. Go to General. Click on the option Background App Refresh. From the list of apps, toggle on for the option Snapchat so Snapchat can run properly in the background. After that, open Snapchat app, navigate to Settings, then head over to the option Notification. Turn on options like Message Notification, Story Alert, Spotlight, and Snap Map Submissions. If notifications still don't work, close the app completely. Remove the app from your device and reinstall it. That's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.